Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can change the color of buttons on the Dawn theme in Shopify. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your store, click on online store and themes, then edit theme, and then just go to the theme settings right here, click on colors and click on theme 3. And right here you will be able to choose your button color. So for this button right now, I will turn off outline style because otherwise I will won't be able to change the color of it. If you don't see this panel, just zoom out a little bit, then click save, and now let's go to the color settings. And right here, if you change solid button background, let's say to the yellow one, we will be able to successfully manage and change that. Just double click it and then save it. Same goes for the catalog and for the products. So let's say I want to choose this one, add to cart button. What you'll need to do is go right here, click on the buy buttons. You can turn it off for dynamic ones, and after that what you can do is basically go to the theme settings, and if we go to the theme 2, we can choose a different color, and same goes for the other buttons like this. For the add to cart, it will be editing theme 1, so let's choose a green one, and as you can see, this pops way better. Again, you'll need to double click it and save it to change and save your work. So basically that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.